Samsung has officially started shipping its latest flagship smartphones, loaded with AI features to enhance user experience. However, some Galaxy S25 Ultra buyers are reporting unexpected screen issues and frustrating return policies, raising concerns about Samsung's quality control. A Reddit user, Call Fenton, claimed that they received a defective Galaxy S25 Ultra with a screen glitch. According to them, thin horizontal lines appear on the display, especially when picking up the phone to weight the screen before unlocking it. Additionally, the screen blinks unexpectedly at times. The user followed Samsung support's instructions to test the phone in safe mode and even performed a full factory reset. But since the issue didn't go away, it strongly suggests a hardware defect. Another user reported a different screen issue. While using the Galaxy S25 Ultra's camera, they noticed multiple vertical lines appearing on the display when switching between zoom levels using the Zoom Rocker UI. This issue looks more severe than the blinking problem, but it appears to be a software bug. The vertical lines and strange colors only show up in the camera's viewfinder, while the rest of the screen functions normally. These reports have raised doubts about Samsung's quality control. If early adopters are getting defective units, it could impact sales, making potential buyers hesitant to purchase the device. To maintain customer trust, Samsung needs to offer a fair return policy for hardware defects and establish a dedicated support system to handle such complaints. Shortly after the Galaxy S25 Ultra's launch, another display issue surfaced. A user shared an image showing grain on the screen. They tested the phone on a demo unit at a T-Mobile store in California. The bad grain and mirror lines were particularly visible on a red gradient when the screen was set to maximum brightness. Due to the store's bright lighting, the issue only became apparent at peak brightness levels. This has frustrated many users who were hoping for an improved display. One customer mentioned that they had been waiting for the S25 Ultra because they couldn't tolerate the display quality of their S24 Plus in low-light conditions. They were disappointed to see the mirror effect, a grainy texture, still present on the S25 Ultra, leaving them to reconsider upgrading. According to them, watching movies on the S24 Ultra was a frustrating experience due to dark scenes, highlighting the screen's limitations. They had hoped Samsung would fix this issue with the S25 Ultra, but it seems like they might have to wait for the S26 instead. This user also criticized the S25 Ultra for launching with a non-Bluetooth S Pen, dust collecting notches under the camera rings, and other minor design flaws. They argue that a fast processor and the best AI features don't matter if a phone still feels outdated. Despite these reports, Samsung has actually made significant improvements in display technology. The grainy display problem that plagued some Galaxy S24 Ultra units has been successfully resolved in the S25 Ultra. While Samsung did not introduce a new OLED panel, renowned tipster Ice Universe tested the S25 Ultra's display and confirmed that the graininess issue has been completely eliminated. As much attention. Instead, discussions are mostly centered around the removal of S Pen Air actions and gesture controls, features that many Galaxy users rarely use but still valued as part of the Ultra experience. So what do you think about the Galaxy S25 Ultra's display issues? Are they deal breakers, or do they seem minor compared to the phone's other improvements? Let me know in the comments below. That's it for today. If you enjoyed the video, a subscription to the channel would be greatly appreciated. See you with the next one. Is officially launching the Galaxy S25 series today in San Jose, California, marking the debut of 3 exciting models: the Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus, and Galaxy S25 Ultra. Just hours before the grand unveiling, retail boxed images surfaced, showcasing the lineup in their sleek packaging. The leak confirms that the boxes are thin, with no in-box charger included, continuing Samsung's trend of reducing packaging waste. Among the colors revealed, the Galaxy S25 comes in a refined gray, the S25 Plus dazzles in dark blue, and the S25 Ultra stuns in its titanium ice blue finish. Samsung's bold design choices are evident in the Ultra model, which retains its signature S Pen slot while sporting rounded edges for a more comfortable grip. Under the hood, all models are powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, a custom for Galaxy version that is overclocked for enhanced performance. The base Galaxy S25 model offers 128 gigabytes of storage, a somewhat disappointing figure, but Samsung compensates with a boost in RAM to 12 gigabytes across all base models. For storage options, the lineup includes 256 gigabytes as standard, with 512 gigabytes available for users requiring more space. Hands-on images have added last-minute excitement, offering an early look at the Galaxy S25 series. The leaks reveal a redesigned, slender retail box that emphasizes the phone's frames and cameras. The Ultra's design features premium-looking camera rings, flat sides, and a streamlined back panel, further enhancing comfort and aesthetics. Color options across the series include mint and silver shadow for the Galaxy S25, navy blue for the S25 Plus, and titanium gray for the S25 Ultra. Exclusive online-only colors such as blue, black, coral red, and pink gold provide even more variety for buyers. In terms of pricing, Samsung is keeping the base prices steady compared to the Galaxy S24 series in South Korea. This decision, despite rising production costs and a higher USD to Korean won exchange rate, is seen as a win for consumers worldwide. However, higher storage variants see a slight increase. Here's the pricing breakdown for the base 256GB models. Galaxy S25, 1,155,000 Korean won, $796. Galaxy S25 Plus, 1,353,000 Korean won, $933. Galaxy S25 Ultra, 1,694,000 Korean won, $1,171. Higher storage variants will cost Galaxy S25, 512GB, 1,313,500 Korean won, $962. Galaxy S25 Plus, 512GB, 1,511,400 Korean won, $1,429. Galaxy S25 Ultra, 512GB, 1,858,600 Korean won, $1,281. These prices are competitive given the global use of the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, which is 20% more expensive than its predecessor. One of the standout features of the Galaxy S25 series is Galaxy AI, included free of charge through 2025. This advanced AI capability enhances user experience by offering features such as night video with audio eraser. This innovative tool allows users to capture stunning videos in low light while reducing both video grain and background audio noise. Samsung has also upgraded the selfie cameras for lifelike skin tones and textures, ensuring top-notch photo quality. The Galaxy S25 lineup also introduces varying battery capacities to suit different needs. Galaxy S25, 4,000 mAh, Galaxy S25 Plus, 4,900 mAh, Galaxy S25 Ultra, 5,000 mAh. As expected, the S Pen remains exclusive to the Galaxy S25 Ultra, bundled within the box. For display enthusiasts, the series offers impressive screen sizes: 6.2 inches for the S25, 6.7 inches for the S25 Plus, and a massive 6.9 inches for the S25 Ultra. The Ultra also leads the pack with a 200-megapixel main camera, and all the other models feature 50-megapixel primary sensors. Samsung's ecosystem features are also highlighted in the Galaxy S25 series. Smart Switch makes it seamless to transfer data from your old device, while Samsung Digital Wallet provides a secure hub for credit cards, boarding passes, and more. For Galaxy users, daily news briefings will deliver morning and evening updates on weather, top stories, and other essentials. What's your take on the Galaxy S25 series pricing and features? Are you excited about the design, performance, or AI capabilities? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to reserve your Galaxy S25 through the link in the description to take advantage of exclusive offers. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more updates on the latest gadgets, and turn on notifications so you never miss a future upload. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey Samsung fans, the moment we've all been waiting for is almost here. The Galaxy S25 series is set to be unveiled at the highly anticipated Galaxy Unpacked event on January 22nd. But here's the deal.